Zdravo, kako ste danas u pizdu materinu, baš me bole kurac. Moje ime je pički materini. Bate.
Brate, batke, brate.
Where was I? Oh yeah.
Kakve patke, imaš patke, ja imam patke. Kakve patke imaš patkake? Kakve patke?
Šta tebe fali, bate? Jesi ti nisi normalan, jebem te majko pitku mater. Dobrodošli, gospodine. I was in a cab, true story, from Serbia, and I was speaking the English, not gonna lie to you. And the cab driver put on trance music. And I'm sitting there in the cab and I'm thinking to myself, this fucking 65-year-old Serbian taxi driver guy likes trance? And I ask him, Šale, kakav je muziku jebem ti majku pičku materinu, eh? Which is basically how you ask a cab driver in Serbia about the music. And he said to me, but ti si Amerikanac, nisi? And I say, yes, I am an American. Pa jesam pustio to za tebe. Ja mislim da vi to volite. The fuck? Batke. And now some useful phrases. Šta to batke? Nema to! Where did you put the tomatoes? Gde je paradajz? Jebem ti majku pičku mater. To nije krastavac! Pa kakav je to salatu? Bez krastavac, pičku maternu! To ti je najglavnija stvar, brate. Najglavnije.